How to change map display to night mode or day mode? First, open your Waze app. Make sure you are on the home screen map view. Tap the three line at top left corner. Then tap settings. Now scroll down and tap map display. This is where you can customize how your map looks. You will see dark mode. Tap on it. You will see the options like on, off, only at night, same as phone settings, or apply to car display. If you tap on, it will turn it into dark mode. If you tap off, it will turn it into light mode. And if you tap only at night, the dark mode is only available in night. If you tap same as settings, it means it changes according to your phone settings. Tap your preferred mode. Waze will instantly apply the new look on your map. That's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video, and thank you for watching.